Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why the moon seems to change its shape every single night? One day, it's a full, bright circle, and a couple of weeks later, it's just a tiny sliver. Is it playing a cosmic game of hide and seek? Well, the truth is, the moon isn't actually changing its shape at all. It's always a big, beautiful sphere, just like our Earth. So what's really going on? It all comes down to a fantastic dance of light and shadow between three celestial partners: the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon. Let's break it down. The Moon doesn't produce its own light. The beautiful glow we see is actually reflected sunlight bouncing off its surface. As the Moon orbits our planet, the amount of that sunlit side we can see from Earth changes. This is what we call the phases of the Moon. Think of it like this. Imagine you're standing in a dark room with a single lamp, and a friend is walking in a circle around you holding a ball. The lamp is the Sun, you are the Earth, and the ball is the Moon. As your friend walks, you'll see different parts of the ball lit up by the lamp. Sometimes you'll see the whole side facing you lit up, and other times you'll see only a tiny sliver. That's exactly what happens with the Moon. The entire cycle of lunar phases takes about 29.5 days to complete, which is roughly 1 month. In fact, the word month comes from the word moon. This cycle always starts with the new moon. During a new moon, the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun. The Sun and the moon that's lit up is facing away from us. So from our perspective, the moon is dark and we can't see it in the sky. After the new moon, we start to see a tiny sliver of light. This is the waxing crescent. Waxing means it's getting bigger. As the moon continues its orbit, more and more of its sunlit side becomes visible to us. The sliver grows into a first quarter moon, which looks like a half circle. Then it continues to grow into a waxing gibbous phase, where it's more than half full but not quite a complete circle yet. It keeps getting bigger until, ta-da, the full moon. This happens when the Earth is positioned between the Sun and the Moon. From here, we see the entire sunlit face of the moon shining brightly in our night sky. It's the brightest phase and a truly spectacular sight, but the show isn't over. After the full moon, the cycle reverses. The lit portion starts to get smaller, which we call waning. First, we have the waning gibbous, which is still more than half full but shrinking. Then it reaches the third quarter, which is the other half circle. After that, it slims down to a waning crescent, just a little sliver of light getting smaller each night. Finally, the crescent disappears completely, and we're back to the new moon, ready to start the whole amazing cycle all over again. So the moon isn't changing shape. It's just revealing different parts of its sunlit self to us as it travels on its monthly journey around the Earth. It's a constant, predictable celestial dance that has fascinated humanity for thousands of years. From ancient calendars to modern space missions, understanding these phases has been crucial. Next time you look up at the night sky, you won't just see a changing shape. You'll see a beautiful display of orbital mechanics in action. You'll know exactly where the moon is in its journey around our planet. Thanks so much for watching and exploring the cosmos with me today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more space adventures. Let me know in the comments which phase of the moon is your favorite. See you in the next video.